Well, today's project, folks, gotta fix this road. This is the road that comes from the top ground of this farm down to the bottom ground where we're at. Now I want to show you this road here. See these ruts it's getting right here? You can kind of see it on this side and that side. It's all because up there, up at the top, there's so much water that comes off there. It doesn't kick out to this side and it doesn't run off this side. You can see the ground actually goes back up. And what's happening is that water gets stuck in here like a gutter. And as it travels down, it gets more and more speed. And you can see it just eats away at it. You see it underneath the excavator there. And it just takes all the rock with it because it builds up a lot of speed. So what we're doing here is we're going to shape a ditch all the way along this side, which we used to have. Clean back all the brush so the farm equipment can get down in here. And then on this side, we're going to slope this off down and grade it, put seed in it, get rid of this bank right here. You can see there's like an old road here. We're going to put a ditch on that side. That way the water, when it comes down this hill, can go to the one side and the other side. Yeah, here's all the rock I got. Give you an idea, that's 5 loads, semi-loads. And this is kind of the size, you can see with my hand. You know, it's supposed to be 4-inch. It usually has some smaller in with it. Got a load of 2-inch. I'm gonna use the dump truck and the New Holland. I decided not to go get the skid steer because that didn't make a whole lot of sense. Hopefully you can hear me. The reason I didn't have the trucker take this rock to the bottom is because of 2 reasons. 1, compaction, and 2, it's just too hard to get down there and it would have been a real pain. And what I mean by compaction is this field that we're in front of here, it's in front of us. If you ran a semi across that, you're going to beat that ground down. And compaction will ruin your yield in a farm field. It'll actually tear it up. So we had to go this route, and I don't mind, it gives me something to play with, but it will take a while to move all this. Got to release the latch. Make sure it's sprung. I don't want to tip this up and not be able to unload it. I'll tip over. Most tandem trucks, when they do this, they have the ability to raise their load and then pop the tailgate after they've got it completely against that tailgate, all the material. With a 1-ton and you just have a latch, you don't have that option. So I know it's a little hokey, but it ends up working out pretty good for me. Yeah, it's the first time I've ever really used this truck to do this function. Yeah, it was a lot better. Put the tailgate